Maintenance of home appliances, electric iron. Seema had to go out in the evening, so she turned on the electric iron to iron her clothes. After some time, when she moved the iron on the clothes, she realized that the iron had not heated up at all. Immediately, Seema called the girls of Pratham's handy skill brigade. To repair the electric iron, they took some tools like combination pliers, neon tester, wire stripper, spanner, screwdriver, long nose pliers, and series test lamp. The girls of the brigade first checked the electric supply. The supply was fine. Then they checked the thermostat with the help of a series test lamp. The thermostat had become faulty. While the girls of the brigade were changing the thermostat, they gave information to Seema about the things required for the repair and care of the electric iron. First, the Handy Skill Brigade explained what are the defects in an electric iron, like electric iron not turning on or working, blowing off the fuse as soon as the electric iron is switched on, getting extremely hot as soon as it is switched on, shock on touching the iron, carbon accumulation at the tip of the thermostat, etc. Then they started explaining to Seema about each and every defect in the electric iron. Due to lack of proper electric supply, the electric iron will not be able to function properly. For this, first switch off the supply. Then check the connections with the help of the series test lamp. If the switch is damaged, replace it. If the electric iron still does not work, check the heating element of the electric iron with the help of a series test lamp. If the heating element is impaired, then replace it. If current is coming in the body of the electric iron, check with the help of a series test lamp and correct it. If the temperature of the electric iron does not increase or decrease, check the thermostat with the help of a series test lamp and replace it if damaged. Handy Skill Brigade also explained to Seema that some precautions should be kept in mind in the maintenance of the electric iron, such as use good quality parts while repairing the equipment. Do not keep the connection loose. Use the right tool in the right place. Use safety shoes and hand gloves while working. Earth wire should be connected to the equipment. Take special care of the cleanliness at the workplace. Apply insulated tape on all joints. While ironing her clothes for the evening, Seema repeated in her mind what the girls from the Handy Skill Brigade had told her. You can also maintain and care for your electric iron by keeping these things in mind. In this video, the Handy Skill Brigade informed Seema about the possible problems in an electric iron, like no supply in electric iron, defective heating element, defective thermostat, current coming into the body of the electric iron. They provided information about these issues and how to fix them.